Our story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. Features also include heated steering wheel controls, MP3, blind spot monitor, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2017 Altima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, keyless start, MP3 player, security system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.